For the last month, as we've been doing assessments, providing aid, and just spending time with these wonderfully hospitable Moroccan people, I won't sugarcoat it. We've witnessed many overwhelming situations here.
صافي من بعد بقينا حتى الصباح صباح الحال صافي ولا بنادم كيشوف الواقع ديالو كيشوف الطيور طايحين عباد الله كيتجبدوا شي ميت شي حي ماتوا لي ناس هنايا ماتت مرا هنايا هي وبناتها بجوج كنتاسفوا ليهم وماتوا دراري اخرين لتحت المهم هادشي ما كتب علينا والحمد لله على كل حال.
Our hearts truly break for these people. Not only have they lost what is most important around them in this world, but you could say many have lost a portion of their dignity as well, with the destruction of their bathrooms, sinks, and showers. Since these people's homes have been destroyed, they're forced to live in tents out in the dirt, and they've lost proper means of safe, adequate sanitation and hygiene.
المرأة والدراري الصغار ما لاقينش مراحيض ما لاقينش الدوش الحمامات مسدودين يعني واحد الأزمة ما كاينش اللي غادي يعرف بحقها اللي مضرور.
Children are especially susceptible to waterborne diseases, and situations like these are prime for an epidemic. But Operation Blessing is stepping in, installing not only toilets but also sinks and showers with water for the needy.
والمتطوعين اللي خدموا الناس اللي وقفوا وخدموا تا ما كنشكروهم يعني غير هاد الوقفة وهاد الوقت اللي عاطينا حنايا راه شي حاجة عندنا بزاف.
These beautiful Moroccan people, some of which I can now call dear friends, are able to have this basic dignity restored when they no longer have to go to the bathroom in the wild like an animal and can take a shower after a long day. We're helping them to understand their imago Dei, that they were made in God's image, and letting them know that God sees them and He loves them and He has created them for so much more. Operation Blessing, helping to restore health and dignity amongst the Moroccan people in the Lord's name.